Magandang umaga. Binabati ko nga pala ng happy birthday ang aming manager na si Manette Balon. Ang wish lang namin ay good health and more blessings to come. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Hello! Happy birthday po sa inyo, manager. I wish you all the best in life. Stay humble, kind, generous, and a good person. Thank you for being a good manager for MB teams, and may the Lord will give you more blessings in life and a safety for your family every day. Thank you for everything, manager, and that's all. See ya.
Hello manager, happy birthday. First of all, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang suporta sa MB team. Naway pagpatuloy niyo pa po yung pagsuporta sa aming team. I'm wishing you all the best. Sana ay maging maligaya ka ngayong araw at naway makita mo na ang iyong minimithing paru-paro.